July 25th, 2020. My parents have stayed in their home for more than 4 months due to COVID-19. This is my mom. Here, she's complaining that dad doesn't pluck the bitter melons before they ripen. So, she's taking it upon herself to do so. She also predicts that it's going to rain. What looks like a jungle with overgrown vegetation is actually their backyard. This little piece of paradise is their lifeline. It's what's kept them connected to the outside world. She says things are growing on this side, which I think she means that fruit is rotting. This lush space, which was not like this 4 months ago, has given them white melon, kumquat, and persimmon. Back inside the house, Mom does her daily prayer to Kunyam or Kuan Yi. She exchanges the old offerings with the new fruit that she just picked. She says your sister bought these cherries yesterday. During lunch, she talks about the owner of the restaurant from which I just picked up food from. That laughs because I'm filming Mom while she's wearing patches on her shoulder. But little does he know that I'm gonna be on to him next. He says that with all this food, there won't be a need for him to cook tonight. He also asks, why am I filming him? Before COVID-19, the whole family used to meet up at a restaurant every single Saturday. Now we bring the food to them. What you see here are beef stir-fry noodles. And Spanish-style fried rice. What about the egg, I ask. He says he'll eat the yolk, but that the yolk looks fully cooked.
Then talk to someone in your community who does and formulate a plan with them to get you out. We're all in this together, and if danger approaches, no one should be left behind. This one too? Not just this one too. Which means you get the same great networks for up to 50% less. Makes sense?
Or get 0% interest for 6 whole years. Shop and save today at ashleyhomestore.com. This is home.
During this period, my parents have befriended a stray cat. The cat visits every single day at the exact same time. Dad believes the cat belongs to the neighbor, but really we don't know. My parents feed it leftovers. They dump the leftovers on the other side of the fence so the cat doesn't learn to poop in their backyard. Mom says our middle sister is the only one who drinks her soup. The rest of us don't. She then proceeds to talk about the restaurant owner again. She asks if the restaurant owner's daughter recognized me and if the waitress May was there. She also asks if our renter has renewed his lease. Before COVID-19, Dad used to play ping pong every single morning at the community center. He's actually a regional champion and has won many tournaments. I was afraid he would become sedentary, so I bought him this ping pong set for Father's Day. For the longest, he kept telling me he never needed one, but now it's become his thing. We plopped it right in the middle of the dining room. And this little device, he gave me the hardest time. Look at him using it now. Dad also watches random videos that his friends send to him on his cell phone. And Mom was right. It started raining. Something that surprised me this time is also Mom's dedication to working out. Here, she's yelling at Dad to grab her clothes that were laid outside to dry. As children, we never saw her being physically active. Now she works out every day to the videos that the community center coach sends to her. And she hasn't skipped a day since 4 months ago. I'm completely amazed, except this is her version of doing push-ups.
See, there's a reason, Dad. Not being weird on purpose.
Listen, Brad. But I think that may be changing too. Changing slow.
I think I'm a little lost.
Although from an outside view, it may seem as if they're prisoners in their own home, it's comforting to know that they're safe, that they get to do some of the things that they love to a certain extent, and that they at least can still somehow remain connected to the outside world through the use of technology. And even from random visits from neighbors that they don't get to see face to face, but they know that they're there because they come to pick up some of the winter melons that my parents grow. I asked Mom how her soup tastes, and she says that it tastes good because she's the one who made it. Do Chinese people like to drink soup? She says Cantonese people. Moon, 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 moon. Are you bored? I asked. Are you bored? I asked again. That comes from a long line of farmers, and now it's come full circle. Some of these masks are really thick, she says. And finally, Mom steps outside for her daily walk. I'm hoping that one day she won't have to do it with a mask on.